Hey, good morning. It's Bobby's Hobbies, and we're out here at the grill. And we're gonna make these seasoned pork ribs, and they're seasoned with salt, paprika, black pepper, and garlic, granulated garlic. You know what? I should get the fennel seeds that they use for sausage, because I'm making these instead of sausages because they have no preservatives, no chemicals added. So it's really getting all that delicious flavor without those extra chemicals. And when you realize at some point that most of the food you're eating, that you're tasting and you're associated with them, is the seasoning. That's what I gotta get. Gotta get the fennel seeds. So here they are. Grab some of that extra seasoning. Make sure everything is coated. Now I'm not putting the breadcrumbs because I don't know, it's more of a dinner thing in my mind. All right. Let me lower this heat because that was way too hot. Beautiful. All right, we'll be back. Now, got this here. Yes, it's a little ancient looking, but makes great pancakes. And gonna make some pancakes and eggs to go with this. Yum. Well, our pork ribs certainly look good. And there's a deer over there. I gave her some carrots already. That's not mama deer, but... And I found there's a little baby deer. It's a teenage deer, and she's got big, big eyes just like mama deer. I mean, they're all similar, you know. Hey! Oh, now she's eating that little piece of apple. So what are we making here? Well, we've got our ribs. And let's see, might as well turn this on. Yep. We turn that on. Gonna put some butter in. Let that butter go in there. This is 18th century. Now this is a steel pan, I think. Blue steel or something. Whatever it is. But it's good. Get that butter roll around. These things are looking really ready. But it's time. Oh wow, wait a minute, this one's on high over here. Put this on low. Low, 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 low. Okay. Now, interestingly, these ceramic mugs are not fire resistant. You think they would be, the ceramic, but I had one crack on me thinking they were, so I learned that lesson. Now, this looks a little lumpy. It's just milk and water in the ready mix. I didn't put an egg in. That's okay. You know what? Maybe we should put one egg in. That will be a good binding agent. Add a little bit of protein to the cakes. All right. Okay, let's. Nice. I have to wing that handle out. It's probably hot as hell now. Just cool that off. Let's take a look at these. Oh yeah, that's ready. 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 Maybe not. This one I don't think so. So the ready pile we're going to put over here. Almost. Looks kind of ready. Almost. Not really. So the not reallys we're putting there. Gotta get the dish. Alright. We'll be back. Okay, well, I think these things are ready. And the pancake is not ready yet because the pan was over here and there was no burner there, so I mean there is a burner but I had it off. So this is all liquidy and this is getting cooked. Yeah, I would say these things are pretty much done. A couple here, maybe not. This real big one. This one looks pretty cooked. This little thin one looks cooked. Likewise this. I think these are cooked. These are not. I don't know. These are a little bit, maybe not. This one not sure why. But we'll put them there bunched together. I don't think this is flippable yet. No. Not yet. Hope I'm not running out of fuel. I don't think so. Hey, where's the coffee? Wow, you're hungry today. Well, it's always nice to have a guest for breakfast. So far I gave her some apple, carrots, whole wheat bread, and watermelon. I know that Scar was a Disney character, like a rotten lion, but she's got a big scar on her back. And this is not Mama Deer because you can see the ears are perfect. What do you want? Oh, you're so cute. Yeah. See, I'm thinking she's wagging her tail like a dog, but she's just getting rid of flies. Are you happy there? Yo, 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 yo. I don't know why I have that stupid voice for them. It works on the dog. Yo, 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 yo. Hey. What do you want? You want my breakfast? You want pancake? They love pancakes, by the way. Oh, you know I'm making pancakes. Okay, well, you wait. When they're ready, I'll give you some. Okay. Okay, I think it is time to flip this pancake, which I may have to share now with this very hungry deer. Wow. It turned over, but it really is not cooked. So that's going to be a while. Now, I know she's not carnivorous, so she's not going to want this. I'm just kidding. Although I've heard some weird things about deer eating small animals, like they get in their way by accident. I don't know if that's true or not. Something about munching on little birds or squirrels that have fallen out of the nest and weird stuff. Mother Nature's cruel. Gotta be careful of Mother Nature. Alright, well, let's pour another one. We got one out of the pan. Put the butter up there with the egg. Pretty good. Make it a little more crepe-like. Well, these things are probably cooked at this point. It's taken a while. Once you see that coagulated, it's not really blood. It's some other kind of cellular goo in there. I forgot what it's called. See, where'd our friend go? She went back there somewhere. She's wandered back off into the forest. All right, let's try to flip this one. Oh, not bad. Not bad. All right, these, I think, these got to be done now. Yeah. It really does look done. So we could shut the heat off here. Just keep it on for that pan. A little lightly done, want a little browner. Ta-da! Alright, well, we're at the last phase of the breakfast battle. We've got our pancakes, tasted some along the way. We've got our ribs, which we haven't tasted. And now it's time for the eggs. Okay, well, we're here and it's time for some World War I eggs, because today, July 18th, is the anniversary of the 1918 start of the Second Battle of the Marne, the great offensive in which the British used tanks and drove the Germans back, and the Allies forever stopped Germany's offensive plans in World War I. So instead of dive bomb eggs, we're going to have big gun eggs. Lobbing shells. Oh, that was some battle. The Second Battle of the Marne. Oh, right on the Kaiser's front lines. All right, there you go, a little history with breakfast. And we got some American flapjacks. Without the Americans, the Allies never would have won. And we have some pork there. Yeah, I know the Germans like that. Yeah. All right, there we go. All right, and now everybody's a friend. Yeah, well, except the Russians and their own people, the Ukrainians. Crazy. All right, over and out.